Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn with May. In today's video, we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English, Bisaya, and Tagalog. These are 10 essential phrases you can use to greet people, ask their names, and get to know someone. If you're a beginner, a traveler, or just curious about Philippine languages, this video is perfect for you. Make sure to watch till the end and practice with me. Let's start with greetings. In English, we say hi or hello. In Bisaya, we say kumusta. Say it with me, kumusta. And in Tagalog, we say kamusta. Kamusta. Use these words when you meet someone for the first time or see your friend. Next, we ask how someone is feeling. Like, how are you? In Bisaya, kumusta ka? Kumusta ka? In Tagalog, kamusta ka? Kamusta ka? Try saying it naturally like you're talking to a friend. When someone asks you, how are you? You can reply, I'm fine. In Bisaya, maayo rako. Maayo rako. In Tagalog, mabuti ako. Mabuti ako. Say it slowly after me. Maayo rako. Mabuti ako. To know someone's name, ask, what's your name? In Bisaya, unsa imong ngalan? Unsa imong ngalan? In Tagalog, ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? Repeat after me slowly and try to memorize each one. To introduce yourself, say, my name is May, for example. In Bisaya, ang akong ngalan kay May. Ang akong ngalan kay May. Tagalog, ang pangalan ko ay May. Ang pangalan ko ay May. Pause and repeat after me. Practice with your own name. When meeting someone for the first time, you can say, nice to meet you. In Bisaya, nalipay ko nga nakaila ko nimo. Nalipay ko nga nakaila ko nimo. In Tagalog, ikinagagalak kitang makilala. Kinagagalak kitang makilala. Ikinagagalak kitang. To ask someone's origin or where they're from, where are you from? In Bisaya, taga-asa ka. Taga-asa ka. Taga-asa ka. In Tagalog, taga-saan ka. Taga-saan ka. Repeat slowly with me. Try to use it in a conversation. To answer, I am from, like Cebu, I am from Cebu. In Bisaya, taga Cebu ko. Taga Cebu ko. In Tagalog, taga Cebu ako. Taga Cebu ako. Repeat slowly after me. You can use your own city or town. To ask age, how old are you? In Bisaya, pila imong edad? Pila imong edad? In Tagalog, ilang taon ka na? Ilang taon ka na? Say it slowly. Now answer with your age. Finally, show your appreciation. Thank you. In Bisaya, salamat. In Tagalog, same salamat. Repeat after me. Salamat. Salamat. You can also use it after someone helps you or teaches you something. That's it for today's Getting to Know You lesson in English, Bisaya, and Tagalog. Practice these 10 phrases every day and you'll feel confident introducing yourself to anyone, like anyone you like in Philippines. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more language videos. Comment below which phrase is your favorite or which one do you want to learn next. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat. See you in the next video.